try the salmon one. This is interesting. That one's a little weird. Animal style. Would I ever date one of my subscribers? You know, this question is actually a very hard question. Like, I can't even answer it correctly, I feel like. I'm like blushing over here talking about this. Hey, welcome back to another animal style mukbang, and today I finally got to sushi. Yes, about to animal style it. I know it's a little weird, but I want to take this time to thank everybody who recommended this, so I appreciate it so much. And if you have any more recommendations for me to animal style, leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video. And that being said, let's get this thing started. Alright, so one thing is I'm afraid to actually animal style it because I feel like it's gonna ruin it. But I'm here already, so why the hell not? Let's go. Little whiff. Woo! With the cheese. Now I don't want to put too much because I don't want to ruin it like the pizza. Alright, now for the animal style sauce with the pinkies up. I'm gonna go too crazy now. Now to finish it off with the rain of onions right here. Alright, I don't know where to start because there's so many to choose from, and I'm also nervous because I don't know if this is going to be good or not. But I believe I may just start in the California roll because I am in California and I just want to get rid of the California roll because I'm not a big fan of the California roll. Took my breath away on that one. The shrimp one is good. Animal style. Let's try the salmon one. This is interesting. Okay. Not bad at all. We got the American tuna roll. And whatever this roll is. This one's loaded with onions, the grilled onions, caramelized onions, topped with whatever on top. Topped with spicy tuna. It's actually really good. What about this one, the egg one? I forgot what it's called. Tamago? That one's very interesting. Let's go with this badly cut sashimi. That one's a little weird. Animal style. Oh, you know what? Let me come back with some soy sauce real quick. Got the soy sauce in the back. Now I want to try out the sashimi again, animal styled, but with soy sauce. Now that's really weird, but let's go at it. I also got my ginger in the back. Grab my wasabi. But with soy sauce, let me tell you, the sashimi with animal styled and it has soy sauce. It's amazing. It's actually amazing because it's like so what the animal style does is it makes it sweet, and the soy sauce it makes it savory, very savory, very salty as well. That's what savory is for. You know, right now, my favorite one is the shrimp. Shrimp animal styled is delicious. So I'm looking forward to animal styling shrimp in the future. And anything with spicy tuna, it's actually really good. Surprisingly. Amazing combination. Anyways, I was scrolling through the comments and I found this one comment where she asked, would I ever date one of my subscribers? And also she asked, would I hang out with them? Let me think about that after this bite. Ow! Slippery. First of all, yes, I'm willing to hang out. Of course, hanging out's fun. Show me weird. But would I date any of them? Sure, why not, right? Right? Well, I don't know, you know. I don't know if I would. Because it's weird. It's I don't know. I could say yes. Maybe, you know what, we should, if anything, the subscribers, number one thing is you need to hang out first. Find out who they are, personality-wise. And then, you know, what would we do? Well, if you're to hang out with me, what would we do? Other than eat. And yes, I'll pay for the bill. I got you. And by the way, this right here, I don't know what this is called. It's the one with the brown thing in it. Amazing. This is so good. Dessert right there. So I have dessert for later. Throughout this mukbang. But yeah, I would like to hang out. If anything. And I'm not good at planning ideas if we're to ever hang out. It's just like, hang out, be spontaneous, make laughs, good food, take a nap. I don't know. Going to hike. I don't know. I don't know what y'all like if we're to hang out. But dating, I would, of course, take you out to eat. Good too. And I pay for the bill. Like I mentioned in my last video. Yeah, I don't know. It's really hard. I'm like blushing over here talking about this. Look at this sashimi. Tuna. I didn't get the salmon one because it looked weird. Soy sauce saved the day. But I'll tell you what, I'll try my best to show you an amazing time if we're to, ever date and stuff. But that is interesting, isn't it? Like, I don't know how in my head, what's going through my head, it's like online dating, I guess. That's how I interpret it. Like how things would happen. How let's say let's say you introduce you introduce yourself to your significant other that you met through online, a subscriber, let's say, to your parents, and be like, oh, how'd you guys meet? Oh, through YouTube. She was one of my subscribers. Is that weird? Be pretty interesting. Interesting topic. But it would be interesting. It would be different. It caught my attention because I never thought of it that way. Let me tell you, all of you are amazing supporters. Amazing. That hate support as well. It's the most entertaining. Freaking stuck with chopsticks. This question is actually a very hard question. Like, I can't even answer it correctly. I feel like I have no answer to it, which is weird, because usually when I talk about topics, I have a question and I have an answer. And this one, I just went for it, and then I answered it here, and I can't even answer it well. I mean, the answer is yes, pretty much, but I have to give a little bit. It's always messy. I guess if someone wants to make contact, I guess it's like the same as sliding in the DMs. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't even touched my Instagram that much, so I apologize. I'm taking forever on my Instagram. I still need to know how Instagram works because I'm not good. I'm not a good Instagrammer. But damn, can't believe that question. I should have planned it more, huh? Nope. Answer it right here. Live. For now. This sucks. This sucks. This sucks. No. So what these are the tuna, just the tuna. It's not spicy. It's just a tuna tuna roll, and it's very boring. Tastes weird, animal style. That's all I can say about that. California roll. Now this is like right at the end. So dessert. I'm telling you, so much sweetness going on here. So much sweetness, like my subscribers. I'm telling you. So sweet, like all of my subscribers. But in all honesty, I think it will be really fun to date a subscriber because it's going to be interesting, and I already know that you guys are so sweet, so I appreciate all of y'all. If I can, I'll date all of y'all. Anyways, this was actually not too bad. Just choose the right ones to animal style. But I do not recommend it because it's gonna ruin sushi. And it's a little weird at first. Definitely weird at first. But it was surprising to some of it was actually really good. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And turn notifications on. Comment section's always open. What's the next question? Give me questions too, please. Anyways, see you guys later. Peace. And stuff. Oh, you fucking shit. I don't even know.